Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to buy gift cards on Steam. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to either look for an external website or use Steam as is. So from here, what we're going to do here is look for Steam gift cards. And as you can see here, there are multiple ways for you to buy Steam gift cards. It's either through Steam or through other external websites. However, the most safest option is to use Steam as, or the Steam website as is. So from here, what we need to do here is to send a digital Steam gift card. And from there, you have the choices in choosing of the amount of the gift card you want to send. Let's say that we want to use this first option. And from there, what you'll see here is you'll see multiple or your friends list for you to send the gift card to. Let's say that we want to send the gift card to this person. Press continue, put the recipient's first name. For example, we're going to put in that, gift message, and your signature. And from there, you're going to choose your payment method. What you're going to do here is to simply agree to the terms and conditions of Steam, and from there continue to click or for you to continue to pay. And from there, the gift card will be sent to that particular person. And that's how you buy Steam gift cards for Steam. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.